Okay, we have seen how to read the CSV file as a list, right? What I mean by list is like when you read the file, you have seen the output you got is in a list, right? Now, what if you want to read the CSV file as a dictionary, right? So we can also use the CSV module to read the CSV file as a dictionary. Okay, so we'll see that using a simple example. Let me comment all the above code. I don't want this. Okay, perfect. So first of all, I will also clear the terminal, and I'm going to say reading CSV as a dictionary. Okay, as a dictionary. All right. So again, let's we already have this data or CSV, right? We will read this data or CSV as a dictionary. We'll say with open. We'll say data.csv, comma, the mode is read as file. Okay, as file. So I'll say content is equal to a CSV dot dict reader. Okay, CSV dot dict reader. So previously we used reader. So if you use a reader, then the output you will get will be in a form of list. Now if you use a dict reader, the output will be in a form of dictionary. Okay, so to this dict reader, you simply pass the file, and then you say for row in the content, for row in content, print the row. Okay, print the row and save it. And you can see here name Ratan, email this one, phone number this one. Okay, so the difference is previously it was a list, but now you can see the name, which is the header. Okay, name is the header, email is the header, phone number is the header, and the header is being printed as a key. Okay, the row data is being printed as a value. Okay, so the key and value, key and value. Okay, for all the rows you will get the data as key and value. All right, so similarly you can also write the CSV file with the dictionary. Okay, all right, now I have one data here, name David, and this is one example email and phone number. So similarly I have another data, name Emma and email, this example. This is in the form of dictionary now. Okay, this is the dictionary data, and I want to store this data somewhere. I mean, create a new file and put this, store this data. Okay, so I'll say with open, new file I'll create is dict data dot csv. Okay, I'm going to create a new file. So this will actually create a new file by default. We'll use the w mode as file colon, and here you have to use content is equal to csv dot dict writer. Okay, this time dict writer. Okay, we'll pass the file. Okay, we'll pass the file. So here for write operation using this dictionary, we have to also pass something called field names. Okay, field names. What is field names here? So field names are nothing but the header. Okay, so here the field name is, one field name is name. Okay, another field name we have is email. Okay, email, and another one we have is phone number. Okay, so this is the field names, and for the dict writer we have to pass another parameter, that is field names is equal to field names. Okay, so field names is nothing but the header. Now we will start writing. So we'll say content dot write header. Okay, first the header should come. Okay, we are writing this one, this header. So what is the header here? This is the header, right? So content dot write header. So we have already passed this field names here, right, to the dict writer, right? So this field names will act as the header, and this will first print the header, and after that it will print other data. Okay, so it will simply say content dot write rows. Okay, you see we also have write row, right? So we have multiple data, though that's why we are writing using write rows. So inside this write rows we are passing the actual data. Okay, all right, so now you can come out and print a CSV file with, let's say, CSV file with headers created successfully. Okay, save it and let's run it, and we got the success message, and another file also got created, and you can see here name, email, phone number, and this is the data that we just created. If you want to see that, you can just go here and open with the Excel. Let me zoom in. Okay, so you see here we got the data, right? So that's how you use the CSV module to read and write the dictionaries.